Hello friends, today I brought a new topic for all of you and I hope all of you will enjoy it. This is a trapezoidal prism which I have drawn here, and how to calculate the volume and surface area of this trapezoidal solid or prism, you may call it. So the base of this trapezoidal prism is this FCDE. This is the base, and this will be the C and G will be the height of the prism. So first we have to calculate the area of this base of the prism. That I calculated here 1 by 2 into this base plus this top length into height. So this is 1 by 2 into 12 plus 6 into height 8, that becomes 72 centimeter square. Now to calculate the volume of the trapezoidal prism, we have to multiply the area of this base with the height. Height is 15, so we have multiplied 72 with 15, that comes to 1080 centimeter cube. That is the volume of this entire prism. So the most important thing which I want to remind all of you, that the area of the base is this area, not that base on which this prism has been shown here. So this is the area. That means if you cut this, make a slice of this prism, all pieces should be similar. So you have to cut like this from the top to bottom, so all the pieces should look like identical. Now to calculate this, surface area of this prism, we have to first calculate the slant length of the slant surface. That DC, this DC is equal to 8 square plus 3 square, then square root is equal to 8.54. This length DC, it becomes 8.54 instead of vertical height 8, it is now 8.54. So the slant surface area, now the slant surface area is this one. So you have to multiply this 8.54 into 15, that I multiplied here. 8.54 into 15, that comes to 128.10 centimeter square. So similarly, the same area is on the other side. So I have multiplied by 2, so it becomes 256.20 centimeter square. That is the slant surface area of the two sides is 256.20. Now area of CGJF, that is this one. So that is H into B, that becomes 15 into 12, it goes 180 centimeter square. Now similarly, we have to calculate this top area. So this we have to calculate by multiplying this 6 with 15. 15 into 6, 90 centimeter square. The total area of the prism will be the base area of the prism plus top area of the prism. Base area this, then top area will be this, both will be same. Then total slant surface area which we have calculated just now 256.20, then area of the CGJF plus area of DHIE. So these two, this bottom of this we have calculated 15 into 12, 180 centimeter square, and area of DHIE, that is the top surface, that is 90 centimeter square. So the total area will be 72 this area, then 72 this area, or then 256.20 total of the slant surface, then 180 is this bottom, this CGJF, and 90 is the top area. So if you make a sum of all these, it becomes 670.20 centimeter square. So this is how the surface area has been calculated, and I hope all of you will make a understanding of how to, which is the base area. Actually I have prepared a small solid which is basically it looks like a prism, solid trapezoidal prism. So this is the trapezium, and when it is converted into a solid figure, it becomes a trapezoidal solid. I converted this from this box, I cut it and then prepared this trapezoidal item. So this should be the base area while calculating the volume. This will not be the base area. For calculating volume, we have to consider this as the base of the prism. That is very important. And I hope you have learnt a little bit from my this explanation about this item, and I thank you, all of you.